Hello everyone, this is Akhil Bhardwaj, partner at Alpha Capital. Today we'll be talking about a very contemporary topic which is changing the direction of the equity. Now, in fact, if one remember in the early days like my father or forefather, they used to have 90% of their investment into the real estate and 10% of the allocation used to remain into either gold or cash, which means that their allocation into the equity used to be nil. But now in today's time, it will be really unwise to have zero allocation into the equity asset class, because equity asset class has become a very important asset class which will give good return to the client, keeping in mind the other asset class which is real estate and debt. They have lost that sheen and they are not able to achieve the double digit kind of a return. So in fact, the most conservative person of the Indian community must have at least a small allocation into the equity asset class. And this is been sensed by our government also. That's why the allocation of equity into the EPF contribution has been increased to 15%. So every month, whatever salaried person are contributing into the EPF, a small portion of their income is also going into the equity market. And this evolution of equity contribution has increased over the period of time in India. So to share a small data, in 2016-17, the total SIPs which were running per month was nearly 4,000 crore per month. So the total accumulation that could happen in 2016-17 was 14,000 crore, 43,000 crore. And despite the taxation on equity came in 2018, still the equity allocation keep on moving up, and in 2018-19 the total accumulation through equity through SIP in equity was 92,000 crore. So the total SIP per month was running 8,000 crore per month, and now nearly 12,000 crore per month SIP is happening. So the total accumulation till date has happened 1,20,000 crore in equity. So like I said, it will be really unwise to have 0% allocation into the equity for any investor, and one should have a equity allocation into the portfolio. Thank you.